and welcome back to Alicia Can Cook. So today I am making green seasoning, a real simple green seasoning that you can put on all your meats and your stews and your vegetables to make it taste great. Okay, so we're going to start off with, I use whatever I have in the kitchen. Sometimes I use parsley, sometimes I use cilantro, and today I have cilantro. So this is 2 washed bunches of cilantro and 1 bunch of green onion. I have some sweet peppers here. They help the flavor, and also jalapeno. Now the jalapenos, these big ones, usually don't have a whole lot of heat, but it just depends on what you like. So these are the ingredients that we're going to start with today. Okay, so we're going to start with our ingredients that I just told you about. Now if you have parsley, use parsley, whatever you like. And that's what I use. I forgot about the main ingredient for me, which is the garlic. I freeze my garlic. These are organic garlics already. They're cloved up here, and so I just freeze them, wash them, and when they're ready to go, I'm ready to take them. All right, so we're gonna stick the first ingredients in here, which is the garlic. Let's put the whole thing in there. The cilantro. Your green onions. Put everything in there. I just do a real hard chop. That's all you need. I'll put everything in there at once. That's all you need is your green onions, your peppers. You just need to know that we can close our blender. Just get it in there. And your sweet peppers. Look at that. Once you get everything in here, we're going to start our blending. Also, I need a little water just to get it going. Okay, so I'm just going to, oops, I just made a mess. I'm just going to pour that water right in there. I think this should be enough. I did maybe a quarter of my little cup here. Then I'm going to put the blender top on here, and then we're going to blend it all down. Get it going. Look at that. Now that that's all beautifully blended up, I want to make sure that I got everything in there blended. So it looks like there's a few peppers that needed to get down in there. So you want to make sure everything gets down in there nicely. And then you can blend everything. Look at that. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's nice and blended. So now we're going to season it. We're going to I add 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon. Just put it right in there. Alright, I also add probably about 2 tablespoons of mustard. Trust me, it gives it a wonderful flavor. And just about a 1/4 cup of oil. I think we're good there. And a 1/4 cup of vinegar. Good already. All the garlic and the cilantro and the sweet peppers. Then we're going to finish our blend. All right, the seasoning looks beautiful. Look at that. So all you need to do, we need to get our seasoning out of our blender. Let me put this over here. And get it into containers for use. And I want you to look at how beautiful this seasoning looks as I pour it. Look at that. There's your green seasoning. You can put this on your chicken, your beef, any kind of stew you like, or veggies. It just heightens every flavor. And I'm just pouring it into this container. It helps me keep it nice and fresh. And there you have it. That's your green seasoning. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Whatever you have in your refrigerator works. If you don't have parsley, use your cilantro. If you don't have jalapenos, use less, but use the serrano chilies. I use sweet chilies as well. Your garlic, everything works. It's seasoning, and that's what's going to make your dishes wonderful. All right, thank you very much. There you have it. Green seasoning.